What's going on, guys? This is Jake with Rising Eagle Diesel. Today we'll be doing a review on some cab lights and marker lights for my 08 Dodge Cummins, and as well we're going to do a quick walk around of the Cummins, which I call her DP. I've had her for over a year now and she is just shy of 170,000 miles. And so let's do a quick walk around, and then just remember, guys, this is not a show truck yet. We are going to be making her into one in future videos, but she is just a daily work truck and a daily driver, so she's gonna have scratches and that's okay. We're gonna fix those up in the meantime. Let's take a look at her. So right now, so this is DP. She is all in her glory, nothing special. She is bone stock. Only thing different she does have on her are these tow mirrors, which we will be getting to later in later videos. These tow mirrors are by a company that I've first partnered with to do a prototype on this truck, but for right now we're going to be talking about these marker lights and these cab lights that we saw up on the top. As we can see right here, I got sideswiped by someone and I'm not sure who did it. So we have actually an accessory kit that my mom bought me for Christmas, which is now perfectly coming into play, because now, well, I gotta get them changed out. And as well, as you can see, these tow mirrors do have smoked out lights right here, so to match the theme we're gonna go smoked out on the cab lights and the marker lights. Stay tuned. I'll be giving y'all a unboxing of the products, and then we'll be able to see the finished product at the end of the video. Alright guys, stay tuned. What's going on, guys? So we are in the garage and I do have the light accessory kit I'll be showing y'all today, and this is Part Am lighting and accessories. So it's going to be quality marker lights for car, truck, and trailer. So we'll see what this is and we're going to get to it. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is going to be an unboxing of this Part Am lighting and accessory kit. I already did open it before I started recording because my camera was out of focus. So we do have the 5 cab marker lights right here, the LEDs. They're nice LEDs inside, smoked out. Should be bringing a nice look to the truck, matching the tow mirrors I have on now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's get back in camera. Okay. And 5. So we got them all here. They did add an accessory kit. Looks like they have a toggle switch in here. If you're not already running cab lights, so which is nice. If you're a truck that was not equipped with it out of factory, you do have the option to install. Now, so these should be my marker lights for the dualies itself, so which they are, which is awesome. So once again, they all go in the same thing, smoked out LEDs, and there's as well, should be just a, looks like they have 3M tape. Looks like these are 3M taped. That's going to be interesting. Definitely in the weather I drive in, which is snow, salt, and ice. And then, of course, hot summers when I go down south for home. But they do have it nice siliconed right there. Alrighty. So, that's about it, guys. Let me get back to y'all. I'm going to get these things installed. It should not take forever. And then I'll be giving a review of easy to install or bad, and I don't recommend it. That's what we're here for, and this is what the channel is dedicated for, is to look at products and as well to talk about diesels. So have fun. See y'all in like a New York second. So we're gonna do a quick just review real quick on this product. So this is cab light. It came with a foam material for the underlaying for the weather protection. What I'm doing, I'm using my factory rubber gasket. There you go. I'm gonna call it a rubber gasket. That's gonna make it so that it's actually holding the water back and from the weathering. I don't think these are gonna last that long. It's already been on the truck for 10 years and it hasn't failed me once, so we're gonna keep using these and then we're gonna see how it works. Guys, we are back in the garage and we are gonna go over the products that we took off the truck, which was the factory cab lights and marker lights, and as well talk about some of the things in the package that Parts Am put in their box that I really just didn't agree with. So we'll talk about that. So let's go over here. Here is the cab lights that we took off the truck, which is the factory cab lights. And then this is the foam weather protector that we had, and which I didn't care for, so we did go back with the factory weather guard for the cab lights. So that was just touch on base real quick on that. And so we're going to talk about the cab lights. So the marker lights. Marker lights are very simple. All you got to do is push it, and I used a small pick and it went behind it and just popped it back out. So you do not have to go take any body panels off. Lastly, what I did not like about this kit was that they gave you silver screws and they're smoked out cab lights, and it's silly. Why would I want to put a silver screw on a black cap? So I use a factory black screws and just got rid of these, and so this will be going into my tool chest of fun things. The kit itself was amazing, very simple to install. It was a plug and play. What I would do was have a friend sit in the driver's seat and switch cab lights on and off on your switch, so that whenever you're matching the polarities, there you go, polarities, that it is lighting up, and then boom, plug and play. And then now I got to do is screw them back in, or what they had was a 3M strip that all I did was take a microfiber towel, which is right here, and I cleaned up around the edges, 3M on to the truck itself, pulled the light out a little bit and took the 3M off and then put it back on. So it looks amazing, it looks great, and the sun will be going down soon. We'll be doing a sweet footage of these awesome cab lights and marker lights so that y'all can see and judge yourself. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, please subscribe, and there'll be much more coming in the next weeks as well. Thanks, Mom. Alright guys, so that goes for the video. It's all wrapping up right now, and we had an amazing time at Rising Eagle shooting this video. I cannot wait to make more content in the future. If you have any criticism or anything for me to look at to help me get better at videography, I would love it. That's what we're here for. It's what we're doing every day to get better. And please guys, just send my mom a note and say thanks for the lights, because I never had to buy it because she's awesome. So, thanks Mom. Thank you guys for watching, and please tune back in the next week.